Acoustical levitation might sound like science fiction, but it's a real phenomenon where sound waves, harnessed at specific frequencies, are used to suspend small objects in mid-air. This process involves standing waves, where pressure nodes create pockets of still air, capable of balancing and even rotating tiny particles. Its discovery has opened doors to new possibilities in fields like material science, allowing scientists to manipulate and analyze sensitive substances without contamination. Additionally, offset by bursts of vibrant imagination, acoustical levitation holds potential for contactless handling in medical and manufacturing industries. By exploring the harmony between sound waves and gravity, this narrative captivates by showing the transformative power of music in tangible scientific ways, subtly hinting at the endless possibilities when we understand and control the invisible forces around us.